Money is a byproduct of greatness. People pay money for great things. Greatness comes from being passionate. So somebody's asked me a question. Your advice to students while choosing a career. You know, a lot of my followers, they're all young people at school, at college, at university. That's the most important stage of your life because you're so moldable then. You can just do anything you want. My advice to someone who wants to choose their career is follow your passion, man. You've got to do what you love, because if you're doing what you love, you'll be great at it. If you love photography, go for it. Don't listen to what your parents are saying. Don't listen to them saying, oh, you've got to be a doctor or an engineer. No, that's your passion. Doing that will make you happy. And when you're happy doing what you do, when you love doing what you do, you'll be great at it. Money is a byproduct of greatness. People pay money for great things. Greatness comes from being passionate. Passion comes from doing what you love. If you love painting, then paint. Forget society. Forget what people are telling you. Forget what you should do because it makes a lot of money. Because if you do something just because that's the right thing to do, there's somebody else going to be there who's going to be doing it because they love it, and they will be 10 times better than you. You need to do what you love, because then you'll be the great one at that. That's my advice to students.